Namaskar. It's been so long since we last met. Because of this COVID situation, I have extended duty periods, but now I am back. And I'm back with a gift. This is a gift for all the chemical engineering GATE aspirants. Actually, during my GATE preparation days, I felt a dire need of a one-stop portal to prepare for my GATE effectively. I needed a trusted resource that covers all the aspects of GATE preparation at a single place, but I couldn't find one. Then I thought, why not make one myself? So here I am presenting to you Chemvani.com, the ultimate chemical engineering GATE preparation portal. In this portal, you will find, firstly, notes prepared by me. In these notes, I have included tips, important formulae, shortcuts, and some memorizing techniques. Secondly, you can find previous year GATE questions with solutions in this portal. You can solve these questions year-wise, subject-wise, or however you like. Thirdly, there is a flagship feature of this portal, a search feature. You can search for a particular topic and find previous year GATE questions related to that topic. For example, you studied the distillation column. So just put distillation column in this search bar and press search button. Let the magic begin. With this feature, you can also see how much times a particular topic is getting repeated over the years. See, in GATE, many questions get repeated over the years. So it is very important to see which questions are getting repeated. So for example, let's say put Prandtl number in this search bar and press enter. You will have all the questions related to Prandtl number asked in previous year. You can also see how much times a particular question is getting repeated over the years. And acha feature. Wait a minute. The awesomeness of the website isn't over yet. A quiz mode has also been added in the portal with previous year GATE questions, so that you can practice these GATE questions in real GATE examination environment. The interface of this quiz mode is similar to the original GATE examination software, so that to make you all comfortable with the interface before the examination. Also, after attempting the paper in the quiz mode, you will have a detailed report of your performance. In this report, you will find total marks scored, which questions you did correctly and which you didn't, and tons of feature already there, tons of feature yet to be added. So I suggest you all to go to the Facebook page of Chemvani, and I will update you there whenever I add a new feature. Okay, so moving on. This website is one of my dream projects, which is finally becoming a reality. But it can't without your help. So I need two favors from you guys. First, I want you to go and review the website. Go, register and use the website, and let me know if you like the website, if you don't like the website, if you want to praise it or if you want to criticize it. I'm open to all of it. Just go there on the website and fill this feedback form and do let me know about your thoughts. Second, I want you to spread the word, either by sharing this video or by sending the link of the website to your friend, or just tell them over a phone call. It's up to you. Just let the chemical engineering community know that a website like this exists, and I will be really grateful to you. With that, I would like to conclude, and I would like to say, keep studying and keep sharing. See you next time.